Hi guys, if you're growing watermelons up a trellis, they are going to need some extra support. So today I'm going to show you how to make little watermelon hammocks using stockings. I'm just using the legs of this pair of stockings. Each leg portion of this pair of stockings is going to make 2 watermelon slings, so I'm going to have 4 altogether. You could cut up the top part of your pair of stockings as well, but I only need 4 slings. Once you get the leg sections cut out, you want to cut them again lengthwise so that you have a wider piece of fabric to work with. And the scissors that I'm using here today was not a good choice. These are not sharp. They're terrible scissors. These are just junk scissors that I use for harvesting vegetables and cutting dead and diseased foliage off of my plants. Don't do what I did. Definitely use some decent scissors. We are ready to get these watermelons tied up. I'm just tying a knot up here on this bar. Now I'm tying another knot over here, and it's really starting to look like a little hammock now. Open up the middle a bit and just plop your watermelon right in there, gently of course. And there you have it, a little watermelon hammock. You can make little watermelon slings and hammocks out of all kinds of different things. A t-shirt would probably work really well. But I like these stockings because they are super stretchy, and as the watermelon grows, the stocking will stretch with it. So it isn't going to constrict the watermelon or harm it in any way. I'll put a playlist up on the screen for anybody that wants to see my other watermelon growing videos if you want to follow along. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.